Yes, we are. Okay, so now, first of all, when I give you opstel, you need to write a plan. You need to plan your work. And the easiest way how to plan your work is om 'n kopkaart te maak or a spider web, right? Because now we have a lot of ideas. They give you a title. The title is A Dag by Eldeo. Where do you start and how to go about? So, first of all, your title is very important. Your titel is baie belangrik. Now we are doing this in both English and Afrikaans because the same principle applies for essay writing. Afrikaans opstel and essay writing, same principle. First of all, we have a lot of ideas. Where do we start? We start by our 5 questions. Wie, wat, waar, wanneer, hoekom. Who are we going to write about? What are we going to write about? Where is this thing happening? And when is it happening? Okay, so you start there. Those are your 5 things you start with. Then when you remember, okay, I need to start somewhere here, then I do my spiderweb. Dan doen ek my kopkaart. Dan gaan ek op my kopkaart gaan ek weer sê wie, wanneer, waar. Okay. Nou begin ek, okay, my titel is A Dag by Eldeo. So that is your prompt. That is what you need to reply to. Nothing else. You can't go and rewrite the story by writing about your own thing. Who am I? It's not going to work. Am I right?
Ja, juffrou.
Okay, so this is your response to the title. Kom ons kyk gou wat gaan ons doen. Nommer 1. 'n dag. 'n dag. Hoeveel ure het 'n dag?
24.
Hoe lank is ons dag by Eldeo?
3.
Vanaf 3 uur tot 6 uur. So, 'n dag. Wanneer die tyd? Van 3 uur tot 6 uur. En wat 'n dag? Maandag tot donderdag. So daar het ons nou klaar ons tyd. When? There we have our time. Because the title is going to direct us. Go left, go right. Gaan hier na toe, skryf oor dit, skryf oor dat. Weet jy dit? So jy gaan elke keer terug verwys na jou titel. 'n dag. Weet jy dit? Dan het jy jou time. By Eldeo. Wat is Eldeo? Wie is Eldeo? 'n dag by Eldeo. Is dit by die strand?
No.
Is dit by die bioskoop? Is dit at the movies?
Nee.
Waar is Eldeo? By die skool?
Nee.
Nee, by die naskool. So Eldeo is naskool. Wie is by Eldeo? Daar is tutors. We say tutors in English. Afrikaans, daar is privaat onderwysers. Wie is hulle? Die een is 'n juffrou Ella, myself, of juffrou Eksha. Daai beantwoord ons 'n vraag. Wie? Who is they? Then we write something about the two of them. The one is strict, the one is soft. Die een is streng, die een is sagmoedig. She talks softly. And we like her better because we can wiggle around her. Nou sien jy? Ons kan haar op ons vinger draai. Weet jy dit? Wat is om ons vinger draai? 'n idioom. Is figuurlik. It's figurative speech, right? So now one thing about the poem, the opstel. Nou die opstel, watter tipe opstel is die? Is verhalend, is dit nie? This is descriptive essay, isn't it?
Mems.
Oh yes, it is. Why are you struggling to answer yes? Watter tipe opstel is die, Sharifa? Watter tipe opstel is die? Yes, in Afrikaans? Verhalend. Sê die woord verhalend.
Verhalend.
Say descriptive.
Descriptive.
Yes, it is a descriptive essay. So, if it is a descriptive essay, first of all, you must know what kind of an essay you're writing. Because they give you different options, right? Hulle gee vir jou verskillende voorbeelde en hulle sê vir jou kies, choose. Descriptive writing, descriptive essay, verhalende opstel. Wat is die ander opstelle wat ons kry?
Narrative.
A narrative, wat nog? Wat is die ander ene? Argumentative essay. Am I right? So if it's argumentative, then it is not going to have the same format as a descriptive. So you need to know what kind of essay you are writing, okay? Because you need to adhere to the instructions. Now this one is a descriptive essay. So which means you must describe things. Describe what? Describe where, describe when, describe who. Do you hear me? So now under who, we described Ma'am Ella, we described Ma'am Aksha. How are they? Okay, now we move on to, we already described the time, the date. We can add to those things. You will see there's so many possibilities. Daar is soveel geleenthede om oor te skryf. Daar's klomp moontlikhede. Het jy dit? Nou hierdie ene as die plek where you can go into detail because everything must be descriptive, okay? Now, one thing about descriptive essay that I always use, if they give us an essay to choose from, then I always go for descriptive because it's easy. One thing about descriptive essay, you must write about your own experience. This one, A Dag by Eldeyo. Do you know who's Eldeyo?
Yes.
Do you know where it is? Yes, it's something that you know. It's about you, your experiences. And that is what descriptive is about. It's about what I've experienced. Okay, so it's easy. So, but now, we must remember to color in our essays. How can we color in our essays? Arafat, how can we color in our essays? Zia, hoe kan ons ons essay inkleer?
Kleur die maklik.
Met inkleerpotlode. Do we color in our essays with color pencils? We can't. How can we color in our essays to make it very exciting to read?
Learn your language.
Yes, your language. What about our language? Don't we get something called the descriptive words? What do you call descriptive words again? Adjectives. Figurative language. Kijk eens zo. So, ons gaan ons opstel baie lekker interessant maak. Ons gaan dit inkleer, but we're going to use words. So now we are going to use sayings, gesegdes. We are going to use idioms, idioma. We are going to use figurative speech. Ons draai juffrou Exa om ons vinger. We can easily wrap around our finger. Is that figurative or is it letterlijk of figuurlijk? Why? Because you can't wind around your finger. So you use those words. You use figurative language to express how the person is or how we feel. Then we use adjectives. We don't just say, juffrou, daar is twee onderwysers. Die een is juffrou en die een is jy sê die een is die streng, onbuigbare, ernstige onderwyseres juffrou Jalla. Sy is baie streng. Dan is daar die sagmoedige, sagsprekende, opgewekte, vrolike juffrou Exa. Het jy dit?
Ja, juffrou.
So you've got it in your words. And now we are enjoying what we are reading. Do you want to enjoy what you read?
Ja.
Do you want to laugh while you're reading?
Ja.
So, now we are going to incorporate these things into our opstel. Okay. So, one thing that you need to do is, you are going to first plan. You are always going to write down all where, when, with 5 things. Then you are going to spread it out on your cop card. Because in your head, there's a lot of ideas. But you need to structure it. Where do I put it? Where do I start? Some of us, we sit like this. What are you doing? I'm thinking, ma'am. No, that's not how we think. We write down all the time. Then, woordeskat is baie belangrik. En woordstruktuur, sinstruktuur, sentence structures. That word stompie, very important. We don't only use stompie in an isolated context and say, this is now stompie, we done. No, stompie is important for essay writing. When do I put the subject? Where do I put the object? Wanneer sit ek die tye in? Wanneer sit ek die werkwoord? Want julle sinne hardloop maar sommer so. Nou moet ek nou, wat het die kind nou geskrywe? Huh? Ek staan geloop, wat? Net Mara sal weet waarvan ek praat. En Sarifa sal weet waarvan ek praat. Nou, het ek jou 'n voorbeeld gedoen.